Hi, this is Deborah Harris here. I'm bringing you a cash flow tip on price. Price is one of the cash flow levers because the price of your product determines how much money comes into your business. It also determines when the money comes into your business. So here's my tip today about price is to try to think about how you can create an experience for your customer rather than just a transaction. If you can create an experience, it heightens your customer's engagement, and by heightening your customer's engagement with you and with your products and services, they're more likely to come back to repeat the experience. So try to think of how you can create an experience to when you're surrounding yourself with your product and with your customers being surrounded by your product. An example might be that someone comes into your store, a retail store, say for a t-shirt. You could actually create an experience to heighten the engagement by having lots of activity around them. You might have an in-store stylist. There's lots of things that you can do that helps to heighten the experience and give them a pleasurable experience. So think about the things that you can do that gives the person a sense that they've had an experience rather than just making a transaction. This has been a cash flow tip about price brought to you by Deborah Harris.